Alright, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a trade recap. Yes, I am. Basically how I made $1,000. Actually, so it's not today. I took this trade on Thursday, this last week. So I was actually supposed to record this video on Thursday, but I got busy. Things happened, so it's actually Sunday today. So I'm filming this on Sunday, but I still wanted to go over the trade recap and just show you guys what my thoughts were, why I took the trade. And it was actually the first trade I took in over like 2 weeks. Not 2 weeks, but a week and a half. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. So yeah, take some value from this. I don't know, but if you guys are new to the channel, leave a like, comment down below. I have a question for you. Comment down below, what's the biggest thing you're struggling with when it comes to trading? But yeah, comment that down below, and then make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this trade recap video. All right, so this is actually the trade that we took. I'm in replay mode just so I can explain this video better, and plus it's Sunday right now. I took this trade on Thursday, February 20th. We actually took 2 trades. So guys, I'm gonna talk as if it's like Thursday. Basically I'm gonna talk like that. So this was the first trades that we took in over 2 weeks. So not this whole week we did not trade until these 2 trades, and then the week before we did not take a single trade, and then the week before we actually had a killer week. We went 100% win rate and we did not lose. So that's like a big thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is when it comes to trading, you don't need to force a trade, right? I've been very picky with my trades lately, and that's not a bad thing, right? You don't need to trade every single day. Everybody is so focused and everyone's so obsessed and addicted to taking a trade every single day. This was the first 2 trades. I took these 2 trades. I took 2 trades. This is the first trade I've taken in almost a week and almost 2 weeks, a week and a half actually. So last Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, no trades. This week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, no trades. Then it's Thursday and I finally take a trade. You got to be okay with that. It's just gonna happen. If your setup doesn't appear, it doesn't appear. If you're not, okay with taking a trade, why would you take it? Nobody's forcing you to take a trade. And that's like a really big thing I see beginners struggle with. You think that you have to take a trade every single day, because I already know this. This has probably happened so many times where you have taken a trade and it wasn't good, and it was an unnecessary trade, and you're just like, it's all right, I just want to trade, let me just press buy and sell and spike my dopamine, and it looks okay, I might take it, right? And then you lose. Oh man, okay, it's all right, let me just quickly enter again, maybe it'll go back up. You lose again. Then finally, after taking a couple losses, finally you get that like, oh, this is super clear, like this A+ trade. You take it, hits your take profit instantly, everything works out beautifully, but you're at break even for the day, or maybe even still a little less, because of all the trades that you took before that made you lose. So just eliminate those unnecessary losses, the over trading, just trading just to trade. Get out of that mindset and just be picky with your trades, and just overall, accept the probability and trust your strategy and just let it play out. But yeah, let's go into this trade. So this is actually so annoying, right? So right here's actually a trade. So coming into the market today, right? So 9:30 or 9:45. So market opens at 9:30 over here. Instantly in the morning, we sell off over 250 points. 250 points, guys. And there was no entry for me. This is all on the 1 minute time frame. We just dump. Now a lot of people are probably gonna long too, right? And right here, people probably long maybe off of this inverse fair value gap, and you could have done that, but that's not my strategy, right? I trade liquidity state, market structure shit. So I actually wanted to see us, retrace from this range. So this is the range, right? We have the top, the low, right? So I wanted us to actually come to at least, equilibrium of the range, which we did right here. I was overall bearish today. I wanted us to see it sell off. Guys, this is a lot of selling pressure right here, right? So I don't think we're just gonna come straight down. The market never just comes straight down and then go straight up. Doesn't do that. Usually a big sell-off like this, yeah, we're gonna have a retracement, but think about the higher time frame. What are we retracing to? A higher time frame bearish fair value gap. So I wanted to see some shorts. All right, and basically we did get that, right? Let me look at ES actually. All right, no, ES didn't show anything. Actually, no, we did, right? We had a bearish SMT as an extra confluence, right? So right over here, this was the first trade that we took here. Let me explain why I was bearish, right? So I wanted to see us come retrace and actually take out some liquidity and get a bearish SMR setup, which we did right over here. So let me actually let me go into bar replay a little bit more. Right, so let's actually rewind this and let's just go through what I was thinking in my brain. So when I saw us dump right over here at 10 o'clock, right, 10 o'clock we started coming back up, but I was bearish. All this bearish pressure coming right over here, I wanted to see us, you know, retrace the higher time frame bearish fair value gap, retrace the equilibrium of this range right over here, and then continue going lower, right? So yeah, let's go into bar replay and actually select right here my thoughts, right? So, you know, I'm looking for a short setup. I'm looking for a short setup, so I'm looking for liquidity to be swept from buy side liquidity, basically, right? So where do we have liquidity? We have liquidity right here. We have liquidity right here. I'm waiting for this stuff to get swept, right? So then we can get a market structure shift to the downside, and then we can, you know, target lower. All right, bam. So we have a liquidity sweep right over here, right? That's the first step in my SMR strategy, right? Another liquidity sweep right over there. Bam, 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 bam. So right now, I'm looking for a bearish setup, a bearish SMR setup, a bearish entry. So we would need a market structure shift to the downside with a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap. And then also another confluence that I had was on ES chart right here. As you can see right over here, NQ took out this high over here. ES did not, right here. Bam. So I'm bearish. I have that bearish SMT right over here, and I wanted to take a trade. So now I'm just waiting for a market structure shift to the downside, so we can get that right over here. Let's see. Let's wait for a low to get placed, and bam, right there. That was our low. That was actually our low right there, and it actually got shifted. So let me go actually one bar back, right? So we have a low right here. So if price breaks down this right here with displacement, a body candle closure below this with a fair value gap, I'm taking it right there. Boom. And then we also have this bearish fair value gap created right over here. Bam, bearish fair value gap. So we have an SMT, we have our liquidity sweep, we have a market structure shift, and then if price returns to this fair value gap, I'm going to take the trade. So let's see what it does. Let's go to the next. And I took this trade right there. Bam. So that was my entry right there. And we entered short right over here, put our stop loss at this high right over here, and then we, you know, you could target lower liquidity, but I like to just personally take a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward right there. All right, so we had our liquidity swept over here, liquidity swept over here. We have that bearish SMT, and bam. All right, beautiful, beautiful. Now let's wait for it to play out. All right, so we get a little profits. Okay, back and draw down a little, and then let's see, and boom, stop loss hit right there. But guys, look at that. Look at this, and then. So we were actually used as liquidity, guys, and it sucks because this was the first trade that we took in a week, in almost 2 weeks, right? Now the thing is, we never got a body candle closure above here, and we took out this liquidity, right? So I'm thinking, right, if we started, you know, breaking out of this range and continue going higher, then I would, you know, maybe not look for short setups anymore. Maybe the trend was actually changing, you know, back to bullish, but I'm still bearish because of all this thing, right? All this selling pressure over here to the side, to the left of us, and we still have right here, we still have that setup, right? We still have right here, we have a liquidity sweep right over here. So a lot of people will be like, damn, we just barely got stopped. Guys, I got stopped off by right there by 4 points. By 4 points I got stopped out. That's so annoying, right? And then we started continue going lower. Right, so now when I see this, I was like, I'm still bearish. If I can get another bearish SMR setup, I'll take it, right? So now where do we have a low? We have a low actually, so right there, that was the first trade that we lost. So now we can delete everything. Now, we just took out more liquidity. So right here, we have a liquidity sweep. All right, step one just happened again. Liquidity sweep right there. Now, where are we looking for our market structure shift? Well, we have a low right over here. Right here is a low. So if price creates a market structure shift. So if we got a body candle closure below this right over here, then I'm going to take a short setup. So now let's see how it plays out. All right. That's not a body candle closure right there. We still got to wait. And bam, right there. Market structure shift right there. And then we also have where a bearish fair value gap created right over here. Bearish fair value gap created. So if price returns into that, I'm taking a setup. And it goes back to my original trading plan, right? I was bearish, and we retraced into higher time frame, bearish fair value gap. Equilibrium of this range also, I want to see a sell-off, right? We also retrace the equilibrium of this range, guys. Right over here. I'm bearish. Everything is right. My criteria is met. We hit the 0.5. We took out liquidity. We have a market structure shift. Everything's looking good. All right. We have our market structure shift. We have this fair value gap. So if price returns to this fair value gap, I'm in that. I'm in that trade right there. And then we could target a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward. Bam. Boom. So price returned right there. Tapped in. I actually did not get tapped in right over here. I got tapped in a little bit later because I was just not paying attention. Everything happened a little too fast. So I actually put my thing right over here. And we actually did end up tapped in right there. That's when I got tapped in. Target a nice 1 to 2 for me. And then, yeah, let's just see how it played out. And bam, take profit hit. And just like that. So we took 2 trades. And one was a loser, one was a winner. But since we have a 1 to 2 risk to reward, we made back our losses plus profit. All right. Obviously, it's annoying because look, if we had our original entry right over here, we would have actually made OD profits. We would have made more profits, but we got stopped out. And unfortunately, we got stopped out by freaking 4 handles, right? And then we got stopped out, and then we continued. We actually hit our take profit. So my original idea was still correct. We just unfortunately got stopped out, but we actually did find another opportunity. So I didn't give up just because we lost right here, guys. We actually had another opportunity to enter right over here. And that's basically that. That was the trade. That was my analysis. What I was thinking, you know, we had all those confluences to, you know, target lower. And here, let me show you guys. But yeah, guys, so this was the trade recap right over here. Yeah, we took 2 trades. First trade was an L legit by 4 points, guys. Second trade was a banger. It was the same trade idea, made back our loss plus profits. And here's the execution, guys. Right here is that first trade that we took. We entered right over there, got stopped out up here. Then we saw another opportunity, market structure shift, return to fair value gap. We sold right there, like I said. And then bam, we took our profits. Bam. Don't mind the 4 trades. It's just when you enter with multiple contracts, that's just how Topstep X, you know, when I scale in and out of positions, that's just how Topstep X, you know, calculates it. But yeah, that's basically that. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's YouTube video. Hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap, and that's basically how I made my money today. Or Thursday, because I'm filming this on Sunday. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, remember, comment down below what you guys are struggling with when it comes to trading, right? If it's psychology, if it's strategy wise, let me know, because I'm curious to see. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna be posting. I'm actually probably gonna post the live recording. So I did record this live trade, guys, and I'm probably gonna post the raw footage for you guys. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And also turn on the notification bells, guys. I'm going to be posting so much more content on YouTube. I'm going to be posting vlogs, psychology videos, just answering your questions. We hit 10K followers on Instagram, guys. So I'm going to be doing a Q&A video answering all you guys' questions. And yeah, that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.